Alright, so I ordered some Trax Plus steel tracks for over the tires. They're actually extremely good quality from what I could tell. The spacers I needed for my machine, just to get enough clearance between the side of the machine here. These alone were about $500. They also were purchased from Trax Plus along with the tracks. So with the tracks and the spacers, I paid about $2,300 shipped to the door. These things are extremely beefy. They are not chintzy by any means. I was a little concerned why I was spending $500 on spacers, but I guess you get what you pay for. These things are no joke. They gotta probably weigh at least 40 pounds a piece. Right now they got two stacked together, but just for shipping, but they are beefy. So what's really nice about these tracks is I'm gonna get a lot of extra weight just from the spacers and the tracks, as well as a wider stance by bumping out another 2 inches. So it's definitely going to give me a lot more stability. I'm not as concerned about getting stuck in deep mud. I just don't want to have any issues getting stuck at all whatsoever over at my property. So we're going to go ahead and get the rest of these spacers on and then start fitting the tracks.